Hi everyone and a warm welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Studies and preparations are going on. So as always हमारा एक और सेशन है आज का. It's almost कितना बज चुका है? It's almost 11:20 that I'm shooting this point and this video actually. And there were 3 to 4 points that I wanted to interact, like a daily interaction. It's not something technical. As we discussed, we will keep on meeting every 3 days. So this is again a small interaction video. So first of all, I know there are a lot of students right now who are into this could have analysis. I could have done this. I could have done these classes better. मैंने ये नहीं किया. मैंने ये गलत किया. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल काम तरीके से सुनो मैं जो कह रहा हूँ. वॉट डू यू थिंक इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव डन एवरीथिंग करेक्टली, like as per book everything correctly? They have done their classes on time, they have done their self study on time, they have revised everything, they have all the mark portions, they are into their third revision, they are giving their mocks. What do you think is the percentage? So that percentage, you are not in contact with a lot of students. On the contrary, I am. So let me assure you that percentage would be hardly 1 to 1.5%. But is the CA result going to be 1 to 1.5%? Answer is no. Maybe that number is not even 1%, because every person is going to face some hiccups in his or her own journey. There are going to be some points where study is going on very well. There will be some points where they realize their mistakes, or maybe like you are realizing some mistake. यार ये ऐसा करना चाहिए था. Maybe this faculty didn't suit me. Whatever it is done. Now the time is not about thinking and contemplating what I could have done. Now the point is, this is the situation. Take a stock and you take actions from the next day. कि अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? And if you get this attitude, believe me, you are going to be in a much better space than if you constantly think कि मेरे को ये करना चाहिए था. I could have done this, I could have done that. Because every student is going to do that. And now the time is for differentiation. I told you this, the last November, the exams, that is going to be obviously the main battle is going to be in the November, but that is the last phase. Currently also the segregation is happening between pass and fail. That's a harsh reality that I'm telling you. So right now you have to ensure that this thing is in our control. Okay, it's not going to be easy, but if you try on a day-to-day basis, and if you hammer this point first thing in the morning, yes, comparatively you will be able to get a better control on your thoughts. That is something that I have tried and I know it can work. Okay, so ये pass fail वाली चीज़ मैंने आपको बता दी है. And let me tell you very honestly, I have seen in the past कि last 40-50 days जो रहते हैं, इसके अंदर a lot of students who had very decent preparation, above the average preparation, but they couldn't clear the exams because they were not able to handle the pressure, and they were always कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे नहीं ये करना है, and always into that kind of analysis, right? Because confidence कहीं ना कहीं कम पड़ जाता है, and it always seems that नहीं यार उसका वाला सही है, उसकी फैकल्टी अच्छी है. No, किसी की फैकल्टी, किसी का तरीका ऐसा कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता है. Whatever अब जो depend, whatever you are going to do right now, it is going to affect your result. That is the final point, right? And on the contrary, I have seen students जिनका preparation थोड़ा सा कम था, but they didn't lose it in the last 50 days and they were able to clear the exams. तो ये चीज़ समझ लेना, अभी आपका सेग्रीगेशन हो रहा है. सो इंश्योर दैट यू डोंट लूज इट. राइट नाउ द पॉइंट एंड द फोकस एरिया शुड बी योर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेल्फ बिलीफ. माई ब्रदर ऑलवेज यूज टू से दिस कि भाई तेरे को एग्जामिनर को नहीं पता है कि तुझे क्या नहीं आता है. ऑब्वियसली वी आर नॉट आस्किंग यू टू राइट रबिश इन द एग्जाम्स, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो 3 घंटे तक आपको कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है. And that is not something that you can garner. The confidence is not something you can get one day before that I will tell you something and you will get the confidence. These 50 days are also important to build that confidence and to stay calm. I told you this point before, a CA exam is just an exam near your home and we just need to get 50. मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा easy है, but थोड़ा सा उसमें से वो वैल्यू हटाओगे, शांति से पेपर होंगे. Right? Now, second thing, or I can say the third point, a lot of times when you feel that you don't have someone to talk to, or maybe you're feeling a bit underconfident, what you can try to do is that talk to yourself as a third person. I do this till date, right? So maybe just try to imagine this. Suppose आप CA इंटर में और या CA फाइनल जैसे भी ले लो, और आपने वो चीज़ पास करी, एंड कल को एक CA फाइनल या इंटर स्टूडेंट ही कम्स टू यू एंड सेज दैट आई एम फीलिंग this is my problem. How will you guide that person? You will guide him properly without a stress or without a worry that भाई ऐसे कर, this is the right situation. I want you to be that friend to yourself. कि let's say मैं अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ and I am having some issues, I will just step out of it and say सिद्धेश अब बता what are the issues you are facing. Okay, this, please do this and start with this. So don't be so hard on yourself. You try to adopt whatever mistakes you are finding or whatever things you are finding that I can improve upon, and you move ahead. Don't get stuck. Right now actions are very important rather than perfect actions. Don't be a perfectionist right now. Just action and progress over perfection, right? So be there for yourself, because that is, you are going to stay with you your entire life, right? So ensure that. Acha, I know one more point. I know one more point that right now, especially final students, you are into a very, I can say, a very different situation. And a lot of students, while asking the queries or while explaining the situation, they always say कि सर मैं कर रहा हूँ या मैं कर रही हूँ लेकिन हो नहीं रहा है. I'm not dishonest. See, I know you're not dishonest. No CA student is dishonest. I can guarantee this. Everyone is trying to his or her best of the abilities. And I know there are a lot of things stuck for inter also, but comparatively more for final because the age gap is there. So there are a lot of question marks right now. Those thoughts are going to hit you. Very well understood. Let me tell you, I understand that. ठीक है, मैं ऑलमोस्ट उसी एज का हूँ तो मैं समझ रहा हूँ अभी क्या क्या चल रहा है. बट एक चीज समझ लो प्लीज, एक चीज, देर इज ओनली वन की फॉर ऑल दोज लॉक्स. जैसे कहते हैं ना डोमिनोज कार्ड होते हैं, इफ यू आर एबल टू मेक द फर्स्ट डोमिनो कार्ड फॉल, एवरीथिंग एल्स विल फॉल एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स विल बी इन लाइन. अभी आपको सिर्फ वो एग्जाम क्लियर करना है. तो अगले 50 डेज के लिए एक ध्येय रखो, कीप वन एम दैट यू हैव टू क्लियर दिस एग्जाम. इट इज गोइंग टू सॉल्व एवरीथिंग इन मैटर ऑफ 6 months 8 months आफ्टर योर फर्स्ट जॉब. नो वन इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू व्हाट वाज योर अटेम्प्ट, व्हाट वाज दिस, व्हाट वाज योर पास्ट. यू विल बी अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, यू विल बी अ CA फाइनलिस्ट इन योर आर्टिकलशिप एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी अ फ्रेश न्यू स्टार्ट फॉर यू. राइट. तो मुझे पता है भी कैसे कैसा होता है सुबह उठ के वो सब चीज़ें, लेकिन वो सब खत्म हो सकता है. बस 50 दिन की बात है. एंड 50 days मीन्स 500 hours. 500 hours minimum 10 hours per day. 500 hours, a lot of things can happen. Don't underestimate these 500 to 550 hours, whatever you are able to give. ठीक है. So this was all from my side. I hope it was useful. Again, this was not a technical discussion. This was just something जैसे मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ करूँगा वैसे मैं आपके साथ आके कर रहा हूँ. And we will keep continuing this, so don't worry. ये कंटिन्यू रखेंगे हर 3 से 4 दिन में. So till then, all the very best. Study well, take care. लगे रहो, सब होने वाला है. ठीक है, चलो, all the best. Bye bye. Good night. Sleep well. Take care.